Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, as always, there is something very important that needs to be put out for you guys to get yourselves, thinking, to get your brain stimulated, to get yourself into levels that you need to be at, okay? Now, think about it, okay? We are floating around $1. The good points, we were around $2, but everyone is waiting for that, outbreak to $3. We've already felt $2 at twice, okay? Last year and early this year, it was amazing. Psychologically, people were happy, but they expected it to hit $3, okay? And some people have come out and said, well, $3, that's a big level. I mean, how far can we go with this? So I was thinking a lot about $3, okay? That is, quite a bit of money you're going to make if it reaches $3, especially pre-Shibarium. It's not like it really matters if it happens pre-Shibarium because you're holding, I guess, until Shibarium comes out, okay? That's the initial plan, but still it is important to understand just how far are we away from hitting $3. Now, I put it in a sort of a very general way, okay? I painted an overall picture in my head and I thought, right, so right now we're all aiming for $100, right? We all expect Bone to hit $100. That is the goal, that is, the dream. Some people think of it like more of $1,000, but I'm gonna keep it at 100. Okay, because Shiba Inu has its own goal, Leash has its own goal, and our goal is for Bone Shibaswap is $100. Now, if we were to hit $3, that's only 3% of our end goal, what everybody believes could happen, where everybody believes Bone is going to go. So why wouldn't we hit $3? It's only 3%. 3%. It's not half. It's not a quarter. It's not 10%, it's not even 5%, it's just a little tiny 3%. Do we not deserve 3%? Just 3% of our target. I mean, guys, it should be absolutely easy. This is, genuine, easy stuff that needs to happen. And it will happen, okay? And I believe that if you understand and draw yourselves the overall pictures, okay, for those that believe that Bone will never hit, certain targets below $100, think of it as a percentage. I mean, all we're asking is for 3%. For 3%, those that want $3. I mean, I want way more, and probably a lot of you want. But if we want to break out, it's just a tiny little bit. Is it possible? Why not? Why not? Okay? Because based on news, based on small speculations, we've gone over $2. If we get something a little bit more serious or a big listing coming, I imagine $3 would be more than possible, okay? So really take that into account. Another point that I need to stress out is that all of it is pre-Shibarium, because pre-Shibarium is definitely the time where we're being played a lot with our psychology. Some people are happy, others are sad. It's normal. You can see a lot of thoughts floating around, ideas, but it doesn't matter because it's all the most important thing that needs to happen. The reason why I invested, which is the layer 2 solution, okay? So Bone definitely will be benefiting the most from Shibarium, in my opinion, just because of the fact that everyone is going to jump in and load up on it. I mean, that day is going to have a crazy trading volume day when Shibarium comes out. You watch the numbers, guys. Probably it's going to record one of the highest numbers, and it's very likely, like many people said, that we might see the prices go very high, and then they'll probably drop down a little bit, okay? I don't think it's going to stick to that price. So you're going to see a lot of candles everywhere, up, down, lines happening. Very possible, okay? So make sure that you take into account everything that it could potentially be happening. And as of now, I am trying to be as patient as possible because I remind myself why I invested initially, what Bone can do, how it's connected to Shibarium, the fact that, you know, it brings like real change for the crypto space. I mean, like real change. People are sick and tired of paying these massive transaction fees. So for Shibarium to come out, it's going to be a game changer, and Bone is going to be connected to Shibarium. Now, if Bone is connected to Shibarium and it's a massive game changer, Bone is expected, you know, to do well, and it's expected to go high up in prices because of just its limited supply. I mean, I don't know if they're going to increase the supply in the future, but the community made it very clear that we want to limit the supply. We want it to make it exclusive. We don't want to go through the same problems that Shiba Inu is facing. I think it's at a perfect supply. So watch out guys, because big numbers are happening, they're coming, and $3 is nothing. For those of you that expect more, guys, expect way more, okay? $50 is still, I think, is a good target, because it's only half of what we're expecting to happen, okay? But who knows, you know, we're expecting 100, it could go up to 200, could be double our expectations. So put everything as a percentage, okay? So as usual, guys, I am very excited, you know, because this community is growing, and with every day I'm seeing new subscribers, new people that are sharing their information, that want, you know, to make this happen, that have so much to bring to the table. So if you have any thoughts, leave them down below. Do you believe that a Bone, okay, for Bone to reach $3 is absolutely nothing, okay? It's just 3%. Do you understand? Do you agree with my theory of how I'm looking at things, okay? If we were to reach $100, we could look at it as 100% at how much we're looking at, in regards to the percentage. So yeah, I am very happy. Also, what can I say? At the moment, as we are growing a lot, okay, you shouldn't forget about other things that are happening within the Shiba ecosystem, like with Leash and Shiboshis and all that stuff that I am gonna be producing a lot of videos about. Don't forget to subscribe with the notifications bell on, and guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace out.